Hello, I'm Martyn Warwick from TelecomTV, and I'm talking with Saar Gillai, who is the Senior Vice President and General Manager of the NFV business unit. He's also Global Leader of Telco at HP. Saar, there's a big deal going down today that we're going to talk about. It is very significant, but let's begin. Before we get into that, can you tell us what UNICA is, please?
So UNICA is a program that was launched by Enrique Blanco, I think about a year ago in Mobile World Congress, where Telefonica is really looking to virtualize their network end-to-end from top to bottom, their whole global network. And it's a multi-year program, obviously, that's going to go, at the end of it, everything all the infrastructure, all the pieces of the Telefonica network will be virtualized.
So why is the HP Telefonica deal, again, that's being announced today, why is it so important and so significant?
Well, I think it's significant for two things. First of all, I think it's significant for the industry in general because Telefonica, there's a few programs going on in the world where they're doing NFV really in a broad sort of visionary way and actually going to full implementation at a global basis, not just dipping their toe here and there and trying a bunch of things. And Telefonica is one of those programs where Enrique has gone and said, no, we're going to go full bore. We're going to get on this journey. We're going to start deploying, and it's a global thing. It's across the board. All the things they're looking at, it's not just sort of a little silo. And obviously, from our perspective, this is a big deal because this is really truly showing the bridging between telco and IT, where HP, as one of the unique companies that has both IT capabilities, obviously, and cloud capabilities, as well as telco through our CMS capabilities, has been chosen here to drive this program. So I think that's a big deal, and it shows you a sign of the times where things are going in telco land.
There are other global companies out there, so why did Telefonica pick HP?
Well, I think one of the key reasons is if you look at the Open NFV program that we launched a year ago as well, right? It really represents a lot of the things that Telefonica is looking for in terms of the journey that they're embarking on to get to virtualization. Openness is very important for them, right? The telcos are looking to move away from this sort of monolithic environment where they're locked in. And obviously, HP represent openness. We have, OpenStack was open source. We have our open ecosystem where we are encouraging and working with a lot of partners. So that was very important for them. Also, from a portfolio perspective, obviously, we have our converged infrastructure. We have an NFV Director orchestration engine, as well as a carrier-grade Helion, which is our OpenStack for carriers, which they're looking for as well. And we have very broad capabilities in terms of system integration, which is also an important piece here, both across IT and telco with our CMS and TS capabilities. And so I think at the end of the day, they were looking for someone who they can trust, but who also has these capabilities, but also someone who's going to run fast and is going to go as fast as possible to where the puck's going, not to where's the puck's at.
So let's drill down a bit further, Saar, if we could. What exactly is HP's role as per today's announcement?
So, it's a big deal, actually. It's a big deal because as UNICA, as the announcement says, HP was selected both as the technology provider and the system integrator. And this means that we're not just providing the equipment, we're not just providing the standard great stuff that HP has, but we're actually helping Telefonica transform, whether it's transforming their data centers, whether it's onboarding VNFs, we're helping them end to end on this journey. So HP really is the prime here with Telefonica as a partner.
Why is HP NFV Director and Orchestration so important for UNICA?
One of the key elements that people talk a lot about that are really important in this journey to NFV is how do you manage the orchestration, right? It's very nice that we have virtualized everything, but at the end of the day, you still have to manage it, and you have to bridge it to your existing OSS and BSS systems because no one's really a greenfield. And one of the prime benefits of NFV Director is that it gives you that capability because we have such a strong heritage with our OSS portfolio. NFV Director is this product that allows you to bridge between the physical and the virtual. And that's been proven to be very effective and very popular with a lot of customers. And Telefonica also sees a great benefit in leveraging this product.
I'm asking you to put yourself in someone else's shoes now, Saar, really, but I'd like to ask you, what benefits do you think Telefonica expects to get from implementing HP's NFV solution?
So when you look about what people think about in terms of why they want to virtualize their network, it's really all about getting a more agile environment so it can roll out services faster while also improving their cost structure. And really that's what Telefonica is looking for. At the end of this journey, they're going to be expecting to a dramatically reduction in their operational costs, while at the same time having a much faster ability to roll out services. So we're talking, instead of waiting months or weeks to roll out services, there really will be an on-demand environment for rolling them out. And all that, those two together will make Telefonica even more agile provider moving forward.
An interesting and very important announcement, and it shows the way the global industry really is changing. Saar Gillai, thank you.
Thank you, as always.